What the heck are altcoins? This is a question that many people ask themselves and one we will answer here for you. You may be wondering why we would even bother to talk about this, but the truth is that there have been an explosion of new cryptocurrency in recent years, and it can be overwhelming to keep up with them all. We want to make sure that everyone knows what they're investing in before they buy into these digital currencies. Altcoin is a portmanteau of the words alternative and coin, which includes all alternative cryptocurrencies. The Bitcoin and altcoin foundations are similar. Altcoin categories. When it comes to alternative coins, you should be aware that there are many sorts of altcoins, and some may fall into many categories. These include mining cryptocurrencies, a mining algorithm that creates new coins by solving complex math problems to unlock new blocks, similar to Bitcoin. Stablecoin, to reduce volatility, many cryptocurrencies are linked to external currencies. Security token. Digital coins are a type of tradable security in the form of a digital token. These coins are linked to a company and frequently offered through initial coin offerings. These coins, like traditional stocks, typically pay out some sort of dividend or represent a stake in a firm. Utility token. These coins can be converted into services or goods and are commonly referred to during an ICO. There are a few downsides to consider before purchasing alternative cryptocurrencies. Altcoin dangers. Very risky. The danger of losing money with altcoin investing is quite high, since most altcoins tend to depreciate over time at present. Large volatility. The price of altcoins is almost entirely determined by demand and supply, which are unrelated to any real-world asset or medium. This implies that in the near term, you may anticipate significant fluctuations. Victim of price manipulation. Smaller market capitalization and trade volume, coupled with the fact that inflows and outflows of smaller amounts of money can significantly move the price, makes altcoins more susceptible to price manipulation. Functionality issues. When the technology that underpins alternative cryptocurrencies becomes less popular or obsolete, these altcoins may lose their value and become useless. Consumers are not protected. Cryptocurrency, unlike traditional banks, does not have any official safeguards or insurances. Regulation issues. Because the asset class is so new, governments and banks have yet to adopt a cohesive fiscal policy for it. As a result, their taxation, status, trading rules, or even outright legality may be altered at any time. Fraud and scams are common. Because altcoins are unconstrained, they are more prone to scams and fraud. On the whole, if you do your homework well, you'll be handsomely rewarded. It's not unusual to discover altcoins that increase by more than 100 times in a few months. However, it is difficult to identify promising projects that will expand dramatically in the future. Before deciding to invest in an altcoin, conduct extensive research and study the cryptocurrency thoroughly. Here are 3 worth looking into. 1. Ether, ETH. 2. Binance Coin, BNB. 3. Cardano, ADA. As an analogy, you want to think of altcoins as tech startups, whereas Bitcoin is Google or Amazon. They have their place and certainly are making waves due to individual investors raking in millions from exploding daily price rises. But like all crypto-related information, tread carefully and do not follow the crowd. Stick to your investing strategy and due diligence. Daily information is always appearing, so be informed and ahead if you want to succeed in making money online. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, be sure to check out our playlist on the screen. And if you're keen on making money online, subscribe to our weekly videos where we can help you when it comes to sound financial guidance.